Okay, so this is to release the inner thigh. It's a little bit arduous, there's a little bit of detail that's involved here, but it's still super simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be working at the hip angle. So Andre's gonna put the roller just above the knee, so we don't wanna be on the joint itself. Leg is going to be extended, and now you're gonna come right down onto your tummy without moving yourself there. Yep, just stay there, good. So what's really important is that Andre doesn't move off of, and I'm just gonna step a little bit. There you go. So Andre doesn't move off of that position, that start position. So the leg is extended from the hip. He's propped up on his elbows, so he's creating support there. And now he's gonna glide stick or slow, very slow. Each time, just stop right there and readjust, and then continue on through. And the slower you go, the more that roller's gonna sink into the tissue. This is an EVA roller, it's a medium density roller, it's not a hard roller, so we're gonna get that ability to sink into the fascia. And we're gonna go right up to the groin, right up to the muscle tendon junction there, and Andre's just gonna pause for a moment. The leg can't be really relaxed there, it needs to be active to support what's going on at the roller, and then we dismount. So we don't wanna roll back down the thigh, so then we are just gonna reposition the roller right at the top part of the knee, and then we begin that one more time. So you can hit it as many times as 5. I wouldn't do it too many more times than that. And you can hit it at once. Once could be enough. So that's what we're going to be working